Hi, I'm Will from Unleashed. In this video, I'm going to explain cycle inventory. Now we can break cycle inventory into two groups. We have our cycle stock and we have our safety stock. Now cycle stock is used to describe the inventory that we keep on hand to service our regular sales cycle. So we should have a good idea about how many units we sell within each season. That is our cycle stock. We also have our safety stock. That is our buffer. So if we run out of cycle stock, we dip into our safety stock. So how much cycle stock should we keep and how much safety stock shall we keep on hand? Now with our cycle stock, we want to be analyzing our historic sales patterns and also keep in mind what our lead time is. Does it take us 1 week for new stock to arrive in our warehouse, or does it take 3 months for our shipment to arrive in our warehouse? So that should help you determine how much cycle stock we should keep. Our safety stock is completely up to you, but you want to be aware of what orders might come through that might deplete all of your cycle stock. Now it's important when you're making these decisions to consider the fact that holding inventory costs you money. You can either have cash in the bank or you can spend that cash on inventory. So if we have too much inventory, we may not have enough cash in the bank to place orders with our suppliers. Whereas if we don't have enough cycle or safety stock, that means that we may not be able to service orders that our customers place with us, which upsets our customers and can long-term damage our relationships with our customers. So to briefly summarize that, our cycle stock is there to service our usual sales cycles, where our safety stock is there as a buffer if we run out of our cycle stock. To understand how much cycle stock we should have on hand, we need to look at our sales patterns historically within each season, and also how long it takes for us to get new stock into our warehouse. Our safety stock is entirely up to you, but you need to keep in mind that it does cost money to keep inventory in your warehouse. So I hope that was useful for you. If you'd like to see that in action in Unleashed, click this link to another short video that I've made. If you'd like to learn more about the software itself, click through to our webinar page for an in-depth tour.